Hi, I'm Donny Couto with Couto Homes. The next phase that we're entering now is the mechanical phase. This is a beautiful, well-fleet floor plan, 4,300 square feet for the Garcia family, being built here in the Summerlin neighborhood. Customer came to us with a few acres, chose this floor plan and really modified it and personalized it to suit their needs. So as we move into the mechanical phase for this customer, the mechanical phase includes electrical, plumbing, and air conditioning. It's all about safety, function, and comfort at this point. When the customer is working with our planning team, they went through things like, are they right-handed, left-handed, where's the right place to put a plug for a hair dryer, or maybe a gun safe in the closet, or types of components they might have in their study. When we actually go to implement and place those things at this stage, we do some unique things like minimize the amount of plugs per circuit, so the lights don't flicker when customers plug those things in. When it comes to plumbing, in most of our homes, we install recirculation systems. So when customers go to take a shower or go to brush their teeth, they can turn that hot water on and have that within just a few seconds. Another thing we believe in is high quality brands. On our air conditioning systems, we only use Trane with a high efficiency, and we size those units in a way that customers can adjust their programmable thermostats and get that home cooler than 72 degrees or lower, even on 105+ degree days outside. Once the mechanical phase is wrapped up, we're then ready to move into our insulation phase, which is a standard included feature as well, is a foam insulation package, and then it's ready for sheetrock. A few unique points that Couto does. Our home specialists work with the customer on figuring out how do they interact and use their home every day. That helps us determine where plugs should be located. If the vanity is going here and the customer is right-handed, well, potentially that would be the right place to plug in a hairdryer, use it, and then store it. We then execute it, install it. When we're installing our electrical systems, we also minimize the amount of plugs per breaker, so that when a customer is loading up that home with tons of lights on, tons of things plugged in, vacuum cleaners, irons, things like that, it really feels like a well-executed, quality product. We of course have safe and functional plumbing systems installed in every single Couto home. Other details that set us apart are going through where valves should be placed for each individual customer, what shower head heights should be in each individual shower. If we have one part of the home that's being used by a 5'6" customer and another part of the home that's being used by a 6'5" customer, that's going to require a different height that those shower heads will be placed at. We add about double the amount of air returns than the typical builder, and what that does, it makes the home, the air travel through that home a little bit softer and more consistent. It really makes it a lot more comfortable, where we don't have a lot of cold and warm spots through the home. We don't want a customer ever call and complain that their home's too hot or uncomfortable. This particular shower for Mr. and Mrs. Garcia has a dual shower head setup. They really personalize the shower for the way that they use their home and the way that they function on a day-to-day basis. So we have two valves that are installed on the back side of this wall. One will control each of those shower heads, of course, but also because this shower is on the absolute opposite side of the home from where the water heaters are, we've also installed a recirculation system. So when the customer turns on the hot water, that hot water will come out within 10 seconds or less versus a minute and a half, which is what they would have had to wait if we hadn't installed that.